Hey guys, okay, so today's video is Birchbox, and I don't shop from them that often, but when I do, it's when they have a really great sale, so I'm really excited to share this stuff with you. I have been linking like sales that I'm shopping from and or that I think you would be interested in the description box. It's usually titled sale alerts or sales alerts. Birchbox, I don't know, it's like a huge holiday sale they were doing. It was like post Black Friday, so it wasn't quite around that time, but a little bit after, and tons of items were 50% off, and I was just like, okay, whatever. So I clicked on it. So much good stuff. I'm so excited to share this with you. Let me see if I can pull up the prices so I can share with you how much things were. Okay, as I was searching for this, I realized the last time I made a purchase of Birchbox was in 2017. It's like a long time ago, yeah? Ooh, okay. Let me see exactly when. November. So like 2 years ago. I know, look at me, mathing so hard. Okay, so the first item I have is from Oribe. It's a body travel set that retails for $25, so half off, $12.50 for this. Such a good price, but I'll have to see the size of it. No parabens, petrolatum, mineral oil. Box is made of 100% post-consumer recycled. Okay, whatever. Not whatever, but you know what I mean. I was just reading out loud. So you got a body wash and a body cream. I thought they were gonna be way smaller. I don't know why when I see a luxury brand do travel sets, but these are really good sizes. Like, I think you could do like a good like week of a trip with this. Like, yay. Let's see if there's anything. Can I sniff them? Oh, so cute. On the caps, they have their logo embossed on it. Oh, that is just adorable. Anyway, so I'm not gonna open these because I may take them on my trip with me. Okay, there are various sets in here, so let's see what this is. This is the Fragrance Finds, $48, so $24. And it comes in its own bag with the B on it for Birchbox. This is actually really nice. I think it has like a wide base and it's like not like, you know, you can't feel the sparkle, glitter. Okay, first, okay, this is why it's so heavy. This is a candle in red currant from Votivo. How do you pronounce this word? Okay, not bad. When I see, because you guys know I don't do like holiday type scents, so I wasn't sure if I would like this, but this is just quite citrusy. It says tart citrus, cassis, and geranium. Yeah, it's very fresh. It's very green. Okay. Let's see, next is something from Juliet Has a Gun. It's the shade Okay. Juliet Has a Gun. Okay, so I feel like I've tried and or smelled a lot of their scents and it's so hit or miss. Like, I love their Not a Perfume. Like, it's a very like, not love, I like it. And then there's another one that I picked up that is so good. It kind of smells like Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. It was like a Walmart video that I did. Oh, I can't remember the name of it. Moscow Mule. That one is such a good citrus. This is, like I said, called Oh, no, I don't. That's real strong. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. This is by Some Yoshino. I feel like I've heard of this brand that begins with a B. I'm not gonna open this because it says, let me see, jasmine and patchouli. I don't know that those are scents that I like, so maybe later we'll open this and see, but I really don't think I'm gonna like that. This is from Soli Notes Paris, Pomelo. I don't think I've heard of this before. Ooh, it's like a nice, it landed right inside here. Oh my God, there is no carpet in this room. I'm like hot now. Did my face change color? Okay, so Soli Notes Paris, Pomelo. My heart is racing. Okay, so it's a really pretty coppery rose gold. It's like sweet and citrusy. It kind of reminds me of something I've smelled before. Pomelo is such an interesting scent though, because it's like a very sweet citrus, but it's still citrus. Okay, I don't know. I'm like 50-50 on this. I might keep it. This is already worth like $24, I feel like. Okay, Lake and Skye. If you guys have heard of this, let me know. The reviews for this are like beyond amazing. So if this is not good, I know I purchased something else like from this like brand, and if it's, oh, I don't know, I'm so worried. Oh, I can smell that already. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's a perfume oil. It's 1111. Looks like this. Also a roll-on. I'm very glad I haven't seen any dabbers yet. I hate dabbers. Is that the word? Oh my god, this smells so good. Okay, this is totally in line with the vibe I like right now. The Glossier You with the Byredo Gypsy Water. Like, it's clean. It kind of has like a white musk vibe. I don't know if it has like notes on it anywhere. Unisex blend. I could see that. Sheer, clean, uplifting. No, it doesn't really have like the notes. All right, so I'm happy I like this because I definitely got something else that is from that brand. Oh, 3 more things. That's a lot of stuff in here. I can't believe this was like $24. That's kind of crazy. Okay, so from La Vanilla, is that how you pronounce that? It's the pure vanilla, and please be a roller. It's a roller. Oh, I don't know. Like, I like, okay, vanilla is a difficult scent for me. Like, I like vanilla, but not when it's too sweet, not when it's too musky. I don't know. I don't know about that. This is from, oh, okay, so Beach Waver. I saw on Ulta's website that they came out with Bee Bungalow, which is like a fragrance line, and I was like, ooh, I would be interested in trying that, but I don't know if they carry any of the scents in Ulta stores, so this is exciting because this is the Bondi Beach Day from Bee Bungalow. Please also be a roller. Okay, perfect. Oh, that is a beach vacation. Oh my gosh, so good. I'm like so tempted to put some of these on me, but I have to go to work, and if one of these smells bad and or is too strong, like, I don't want to do that to people. Okay, I'm very into this. This is the Bondi Beach. I know that they have maybe at least 2 other scents that they've released. And then lastly, it's Rosie by Rosie Jane. Is there a card? I feel like there should be a card. Well, let's see if this is also a roller ball. I think it is. Yay. Okay, I love that everything here is a roller ball. Oh, that's really clean. I like that. Okay, so not bad at all. We have a candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cents. All that for 24. I think that was an excellent deal. Okay, so let's find the Lake and Skye thing. I do believe their stuff is free returns, so I wasn't too concerned, but I was just like, I don't want to have to return something if I don't, you know, I don't like returning stuff, but I will if I have to. So I got another one of the roller balls, which is really good because as I was reading the reviews for the fragrance that I just showed you, a lot of them were like, if you just get the Lake and Skye in there, it's already worth the entire like $48. I'm like, what is this brand? I've never even heard of it, which is not surprising. I mean, there's so many like boutique and niche brands that, you know, we just don't know about because they're not popular, not everyone's talking about them. But so this, and it came with a full-size candle. This is huge. 226 grams, 8 ounces. So I hope that this smells like the perfume. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Lake and Skye. How do you open this? Is it like a lift? Okay. Ooh. It doesn't smell exactly like it. Maybe if I burn, oh, how cute, even that, like how beautiful. You could actually just leave it on here to burn. Oh, that's so cute. It does smell, it smells very faintly of the fragrance, but the fragrance in itself immediately has it's a very, like, first impressions, it's very strong. So maybe this will be good, like, once you burn it. I hope this stuff is still in stock. I mean, obviously it might not be. I feel like this sale went through very quickly because I kept seeing getting it reposted in different places. So next we have this from Malin Goetz. Is it Goetz or Goetz? My first introduction to this brand was, we were visiting my sister in, oh, where was she? She's been like all over. She's lived all over and she like went to school all over. I'm trying to remember where we saw the first time. Was it Chicago? No, was it? I don't remember. Anyway, we were at a hotel and all of their stuff was from this brand. And I remember we were all using the body wash and we were like, let's go to the front desk and get more. It's so good. So I got candles. And it's the cannabis scent. I'm really excited. So you get a big one and a small one. Let me see the pricing on this. That was $55, so 22. $12.50. Am I mathing correct? I don't know. I'm really excited. Okay. Oh, that's good. It's very earthy, woodsy. I wonder what it smells like when lit. But look, sizing is so good. 25-ish. I mean, that's kind of crazy. Because I feel like I'm imagining that this candle just by itself, the big one, costs a lot of money. Oh my God, you don't even have to burn it. It's so relaxing. Okay, as far as blind buying goes, between this and the Lake and Skye, I'm very happy. Skincare, we got Sunday Riley. So this set was 88, so half off is 44. So you have Luna, Retinol, and Good Genes. So that's what the box looks like. Open it up. Oh, is this full size? Oh, I don't know. So you have the A+ Retinol, the Luna Sleeping Oil, and the Good Genes. I feel like maybe this is full size. If the Retinol is full size, it would totally make this whole thing worth it. Okay, no, the only thing that's full size is the Luna. Okay, wait, really? Am I imagining? I feel like I used to buy Sunday Riley way back when it was like really popular, and I feel like this bottle is smaller than before. Yeah? I don't know. I don't know. This is a really good price because I'm looking forward to trying their Retinol. I wanted to for a while, but I was just like, I don't want to splurge on it yet. Okay, next up is an item from MAC. It's from their holiday collection. This is something I already opened because I had attempted to film this already. So they released 2 of these palettes, one for like light tones and one for dark tones. Of course, I went for the one with dark tones because it's so pretty. So $45 at retail, I paid half that, so super exciting. Birchbox is also on like a lot of cashback websites. Oh, also speaking of cashback, so Ebates is now Rakuten, we all know, and I used to really talk about Mr. Rebates a lot, and I feel like they're not, you know, their cashback is not up to par anymore. So I've been using Top Cashback a lot. I really like them. I think I did a purchase where I was just testing the site out because I wasn't sure yet. So I'm like, let me test it out. And it was 20% cashback on like a skincare website. I think it was Skincare RX. And they had my Kagendo cleansing water on sale, so I got 2 bottles. And I went through Top Cashback and I got 20% back. It was so awesome. Like, wow. However, the one thing I have noticed with Top Cashback is their percentages change pretty frequently, and sometimes it'd be like one day you see the retailer on there and then another day you might not. So there's like kind of like this like flash cashback situation happening. Like I saw Selfridges on there and I used it like once and then I wasn't able to like use it again. So I don't know what happened. Maybe, I don't know. Whatever. It's every like cashback website or like discounted gift cards or flash sale website I use is always linked at the very bottom of every video. So in case you're wondering. Okay, back to this. This is from MAC. So it's really beautiful. Let me do swatches. So you have a bronzer shade, which already, I mean, that's like not gonna look okay on me. Then you have a few highlighter shades. I believe this is called Cloudy Copper, Snow Flushed, and Oh Darling. And do you see the shift on this one? Snow Flushed. Here's swatches. I forgot how beautiful Oh Darling is. Like, but for me as an eye palette, I am gonna be all over this because this is not gonna work for me as a bronzer. As much as I try, and this Cloudy Copper shade looks like the dreams that I have to have like the perfect all over glowy lid shade. I mean, this is all gonna look beautiful. I'm like really excited. This is like, I swear this is like the haul that's like never ending. So Briogeo. So this kit was 38 and then half of that. I actually can't math that right now. Okay, let me show you the box first. I'm having trouble opening it, but. So Healthy Hair Game. I hope this is full size. That's what you have. Full size, all baby sizes. Let me see if I've used any of the products before. Okay, the Charcoal and Coconut Shampoo I have not used before. And the Blow Dry Perfection and Protection Cream I haven't used before. And I have not used the Rosarco Milk Leave-In Spray either. So I'm really excited. So I've used this. I've gone through, so I have the biggest container of it in my shower right now. Sometimes Costco for like 50 bucks will do like a huge one. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the last item. This is going to be a complete mystery. Okay, so it says Birchbox on there. What is it? Salon Worthy Hair Kit. $48, so I paid $24. Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. Amika Volume Matte and Volume Spray. The Bumble and Bumble Preta Powder Dry Shampoo. Okay, I really like this product, but the scent is so strong. It doesn't play well with the other scents that I wear. If you guys are familiar with this, let me know. Like, chime in. Like, right? Am I right? Oh. This is a brand I hear a lot of people talk about. Is it Davines? Okay, so it's called the Liquid Spell Reinforcing Body Fluid for Sensitized or Fine Hair. Well, I definitely don't have fine hair. I have the complete opposite of fine hair. R&Co Dry Volume Spray, the Caviar Anti-Aging CC Cream, everything from the Alterna line. I love everything. The anti-aging specifically and the like Candy Oil line. IGK Speechless Dry Oil Finishing Spray for hair and body. So as mentioned before, I love a lot of IGK. Okay, so this is full size. So this makes the whole thing worth it. I have had this in like different like wish lists. I just haven't grabbed it yet because I'm like, well, do I need it? No. So it has avocado and amla oil and resveratrol. Okay, is that it? Oh no, there's more things. Christoph Robin Mask, another brand that I see often and I know is kind of expensive. Haven't tried it. And then you have some hair clips. All right, so I had a lot of fun doing this video because I only knew like very few items in here, so it was like a brand new haul for me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please chime in on any of these products and I will see you guys tomorrow.